All right, this is going to be a fast lesson. We are in the basic CSS course inside of the responsive web design course inside of FreeCodeCamp. All right, adjust the margin of an element. So like how we've been doing, we're just going to look at exactly what they want us to do, and then we're going to learn about it. Change the margin of the blue box to match that of the red box. Change the margin of this box so it matches this box. Well, what's different about these two boxes? The biggest thing that's sticking out to me is there's more space between the yellow box and the red box here than there is on the blue box. So let's learn a little bit more about what they want us to do with this. An element's margin controls the amount of space between the element's border and the surrounding elements. Here we can see that the blue box and the red box are nested within the yellow box. You can see down here in the HTML. Note that the red box has a bigger margin than the blue box, making it appear smaller. When you increase the blue box margin, it will increase the distance between its border and the surrounding elements. So back to the task. Change the margin of the blue box to match that of the red box. All right, let's begin with the solution here. So we know in our HTML where everything's at. We got the red box and the blue box. They both have the class of box, and then they have their own class, which is red, and then blue box. So if we look at the red box class, that's the next place we're going to go is like, okay, we see it has this class. Let's find it in the CSS and learn how they're doing the margin. So here we find the class called red box, and it has a margin of 20 pixels and a padding of 20 pixels, but we're just worried about this right here. If we look at the blue box, it only has a margin of 10 pixels. So let's add that. And we see, I'll just swap back and forth here. We see that not only does it increase distance on the sides, but it also increases distance on the bottom. Interesting, right? And if I just make it something ridiculous like 200, it produces an ugly result that's probably not what we want. So we've reached the solution. We're going to run the test, and I'm pretty confident this is going to pass. Ta-da! All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found value in it, and stay around for the next video. It should be posted soon. All right, later.